So YouTube, we're back on another project. This is a switch for my riding lawnmower. I checked the wires, see we had any current. We do have current. Juice was coming up to one of these ones. I forgot which one it is. Really, there's a positive and then a leg, another wire, which when you hit on, let's see, it goes like this, on, then it'll send one to the headlights and turn them on, and then you hit off and it won't pass no juice to that line, and then lights would be off. Switch is on, so we should have value there. Resistance. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Nothing whatsoever. Let's try this, and nothing. Okay, let's open the switch and see what we got in there. And we just have to put a flat screwdriver in there. It has some kind of pins there where it locks on both sides, so we have to get past those. We got it. There it is. Sometimes they're loaded, they have springs in there and a little BB or bearing, and if you don't open it right, you'll drop all that. It'll bounce out. You'll lose that there. Okay, here we go. There's the problem. Look at that. How do we expect that to make any contact whatsoever? Okay. See, we can see the little components in there. Now you can see them. Okay, I'm gonna go and get this cleaned up. Get me some tools and I'll be back. Okay, I got me a little brush. I have some wire brush, but I'm gonna try to use this. A wire brush works too. They're small ones. I have some of those, but this is closest to me right now. Let's try that. Let me clean it up. That looks a little better. Okay, let's do this one. See, it's spring loaded. It has a spring in there. Some of them have the spring in here with a little bearing or a BB. You can see the contacts. I got most of the trash out of here. I will definitely give it another better clean, but I just want to make sure that my switch is working, and if it works, then I'll go back in there and clean it more. Okay, let's watch the resistance. Okay, it's off. Let's test it, see what happens. So now the number should move if the switch works. Okay, there, lights off, lights on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, clean it up a little more, and that was my issue. My light should be working. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up.